guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I really wanted to sit down and do a really full glam makeup look, and this is the look I came up with, and honestly I'm really obsessed with it, especially like the eyes and the skin, just everything. Like everything has gone like really well today, if I don't say so myself. I'm really impressed with the way this makeup look went, and honestly the eyes are really stunning. I actually picked out the new Makeup Revolution makeup pigment palette, and it's in the shade Imperative, I believe, so it says on the back anyway. But yeah, honestly this is such a stunning palette. I actually got this palette out of their Christmas makeup calendars. I brought it off their website, and this is one of the products that come in the calendar, and honestly I'm obsessed with it. As you can see, all the shades are like foiled, and this one is the shade I've actually got on my lid, and I didn't expect it to be so pigmented at all, but honestly I don't know how much it is on its own, but if you're looking for a cheap, excellent drugstore pigmented foil eyeshadow palette, then I'd definitely get this one from Makeup Revolution or any of the others that they've actually got, because honestly it is absolutely stunning, as you can see on the eye. So this is the star of the show today. But yeah, I'm really happy the way it turned out. I wanted to do something that would match like this nice top I've got on what I had for Christmas, like really pretty. And yeah, I just wanted to do something that incorporated like bronzy, orangey, goldy shades, and this is the look I came up with. And honestly I'm obsessed with this Ofra highlight as well. I can't stop using it since the last video that I uploaded. And about my uploading, I'm really sorry. I'm just like really not busy, but I'm just finding it really hard to fit in recording at the moment. Not that I'm giving up on YouTube, I'm just finding it really hard. I don't want to stress myself out too much, like worrying about getting videos up, but at the same time I really enjoy recording, and I just love giving you new content to watch. Also, loads of things have been happening in my life at the moment, so I'm just like trying to get to grips with different things that are happening at the moment. So yeah, I'll probably give you an update on what's happening soon in a new video. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look today, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. It's just at Jadevanessa Moseley. I'll leave my name in one of these corners for you guys, so make sure you go ahead and type my name in on Instagram and become a part of my Insta family. But yeah, without further ado, I'm going to shut up and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Soph palette from Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to go in with this shade. I've accidentally like lost the sheet that come with this palette that give you the name of the shade. I don't know if this one was called Cup of Tea, but anyway, I'm going to go in with this to apply to the crease and above, just to act as a transition shade. As I said, I've lost the sheet, but to be honest I don't really recommend them sheets because people always end up losing them, so hopefully they start putting the names on the actual palette so we don't lose them. Then I'm going to go in with this second shade, just a little bit more deeper on a more precise brush, and this is going to go in the crease and just a bit lower, like on the lid and on the outer corner. Put my teeth back in. This is just to add a lot more definition, and yeah, just to deepen the eyes up a little bit. Then I'm going to take that first shade we just applied just to blend out that darker shade, just so it's really nice and blended and there's no harsh lines. I'm then going to go in with the lighter shade in the palette, which I forgot to show you, sorry guys, but that is just going to blend out the first shade which we applied onto the lid. Then going in with these two dark shades, I went in with a lighter shade with this dark brown just to help blend it out and just to mute the darkness of it, because I didn't really want it all that smoky or dark. I just wanted a little bit of definition. So this is just going to go in the crease and on the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend it out with the second shade we applied, and then blend that all out with the first shade we applied. Then going in with the Imperative palette from Makeup Revolution, which is the star of the show, which I mentioned, I'm going to go in with this foil gold, and as you can see, I'm really impressed with this shade. Like honestly, I got really excited, as you can tell. But yeah, this is just going to go all over the quarter of my lid, and I'm just going to blend this out with my fingers. We all know now with these foil shades and glitters, they all apply a lot more better and a lot more pigmented with our fingers. Then to help blend the gold shade into the dark brown on the outer corner, I've just went in with the darker fold shade, just like a brownie fold shade, and that's just going to help blend it all nicely together. And I'm going to do a wing using the Maybelline liquid liner pen. Then I just applied some mascara off camera and went in with some Eylure false lashes, which is in the shade Bauble. These and quickly coming my favourite, what I use every time I go out. They're just really, really nice and sparse and dramatic, and just went perfect with this look. I'm then going to go in with one of these highlighting shades just to apply in the inner corner and my brow bone. I don't know if this one was called Starry Lights or Fairy Lights, but either way, the one of them are called that. But yeah, just highlighted the inner corner and brow bone. Then I went in with the Urban Decay Optical Illusioning Primer. I forgot to show you guys. I could have swore I pressed record, but I must have just forgot or didn't click it at all. But yeah, I just went in and apply this primer because it's my favourite primer and it always looks beautiful underneath my foundations. Then going in with the NYX Total Control Foundation, drops in the shade Natural, which is the first one I'm applying now, and the second one is a little bit lighter, is in the shade Alabaster. I've got the lighter shade like the other day, just because if you did watch my first impressions of new makeup, which I'll leave linked in the top corner for you and down below, it was a little bit too dark, so I needed to get a lighter colour just to mute the oranginess out of it. And honestly, as you can see, it suited me perfectly and went really nice with my skin tone. And honestly, this foundation is like giving me life right now. I absolutely love the way my skin looked after using this. Honestly, it looked really, really nice on airbrush and flawless. So yeah, I just blended this out with a damp beauty blender. I then went in with the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in the shade Wheat. Now I only do one part of my face now because this does dry very, very quickly. So yeah, you need to work quick with this, but honestly it's my favourite concealer. I don't use it all the time just because it is a very full coverage concealer, and yeah, just absolutely love it. I don't know what's going on with my voice right now. It's very croaky, probably because I just haven't long woke up, but yeah, just ignore that. And then just going to conceal and highlight the rest of my face, and again blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Then to set the concealer in place and my face in place, I'm going to go in with the translucent Laura Mercier loose powder. And honestly, I haven't used this for a very long time. If you watched my Instagram stories, or if you follow me, it's at Jadevanessa Moseley. I did post a makeup haul on there the other day of showing you what I bought. I bought absolutely loads, and this was one of the products I actually brought. And yeah, I just haven't used it for so long, and using it in today's video made me realise how much I love it and how much I missed it. Honestly, it's such a great powder. It's very, very thin, doesn't feel cakey on the face, and it just sets my makeup in place like really, really good. I'm then going to run the the two darkest shades that we applied on my lid underneath my lower lash line, just to give a bit of definition. And then I went in with the Mark Big Drama Mascara from Avon and just applied this to the tops and bottoms of my lashes. And then to bronze and contour my face, I went in with the Hoola bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. I love this bronzer, like literally it is so pretty and really, really subtle. You can just build it up and put the minimal on, it still looks like really, really pretty. Yeah, I just love it. Then for blush today, I'm going to go in with this number 7 blush. I can't remember what this is called. It's something velvet, I believe. But I'll leave all the names in the description bar anyway for you. So this is just going to go on my apples of my cheeks, around my nose, on my chin and on my forehead. I just like putting my blush everywhere recently. It just like gives you that nice sun-kissed glow, I believe. and yeah, just adds a little bit nice of colour to the rest of your face. And then I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones using that translucent Laura Mercier powder. Then for highlighter, of course, I'm going to use the Ofra All of the Lights highlighter. I have not stopped using it since my previous video, and yeah, I just absolutely love it. So I'm going to be highlighting everywhere, all over my face, baby. Yeah. Then I'm going to remove that baking underneath my contour with that large fluffy brush that we used earlier, which is from BH Cosmetics. And then I'm going to line my lips using the No. 7 lip liner. Again, with this lip liner and the lip gloss I'm going to be using, I can't remember the shade, so I'll leave it linked down below. But once I've lined my lips, I'm also then going to continue to fill them in, just because it adds a nice tone underneath the lip gloss and also makes your lip gloss last longer. So there's a little tip for you guys. And then for the lips, I'm going to go in with the Sexy Mother Pucker from Soap and Glory. This is a lip plumping one, so it does tingle a little bit, but not that much. And it's really comfortable on the lips. And yeah, I just absolutely love it. And I think it went perfectly with the look. And then once I've applied that, I'm just going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Mist and spritz it all over my face so makeup lasts all night. So guys, this is the end result. As I said in the beginning, I'm really happy the way it turned out, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you have got that palette and you haven't tried it yet, make sure you give it a test out. Or if you're looking to get that palette but you're unsure, now you know that you need to go and get it, because them eyeshadows are like really good, and it's Makeup Revolution. It's not going to be that expensive. Makeup Revolution is like really cheap, and their products always live up to what they're meant to be. So yeah, if you did enjoy watching this makeup look, then please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. As I said in the beginning, it's just at Jadevanessa Moseley. But until next time, I love you all so much. Hopefully I'll see you in my next video, and yeah, bye guys.